Ever had your trusty Xerox printer start giving you grief, leaving you with faded prints, or worse, completely jamming up? Chances are, the fuser unit, that unsung hero inside, might be calling it quits. And let's be honest, replacing it can be a real headache, especially with the often steep prices of original manufacturer parts. Today, we're diving into the ZHSHYIIN 008R13146 fuser assembly, a fixing unit designed for a whole fleet of Xerox powerhouses. We're talking about models like the 7780, 560, 6500, 7550, 750i, C75, and C60. This isn't just any component. It's the very heart of your printer's ability to deliver those crisp, professional documents you rely on day in and day out. Operating at 110V, this unit promises to bring your machine back to life, ensuring your prints are as perfect as they should be. What exactly does a fuser do? Well, after the toner is laid onto the paper, it's the fuser's critical job to apply just the right amount of heat and pressure, permanently bonding that toner to the page. Without a properly functioning fuser, you're looking at frustrating smudged prints, toner that rubs right off, or even paper jams that bring your entire workflow to a grinding halt. The promise of an aftermarket part like this ZHSHYIIN unit is to offer that crucial functionality without the hefty price tag, often associated with original manufacturer components, making it a compelling option for businesses looking to maintain their equipment efficiently. When considering a replacement fuser, reliability is absolutely paramount. You need something that integrates seamlessly into your existing printer, performs consistently, and ensures every single print comes out looking as good as the first. While we can't put this specific unit through a long-term stress test right here, the expectation for a product like the 008R13146 is to provide that consistent heat and pressure, ensuring toner adhesion is perfect, page after page. It's about getting your business back to full speed, minimizing costly downtime, and extending the life of your valuable Xerox equipment. The thought of keeping these workhorse printers running smoothly with a more budget-friendly option is incredibly appealing. It's not just about saving money up front. It's about the peace of mind knowing your prints will be professional and your printer won't let you down in the middle of a critical job. This ZHSHYIIN fuser assembly aims to be that dependable internal component, quietly doing its vital work to keep your documents looking their best. So, if your Xerox printer is showing signs of fuser fatigue, the ZHSHYIIN 008R13146 fuser assembly looks like a compelling and cost-effective solution to restore your print quality and keep your operations humming along without missing a beat.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.